Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Let's see this problem, number of submatrix having some x. So given a sub matrix mat of size n cross m and integer x, find the number of square submatrix. The square here is important. Some matrices whose sum of elements is equal to x. In this question we are given a matrix, 2D matrix, and we need to find how many submatrices in this matrix have the sum equals to 10. So for example 2 4 1 3 has some 10, this green submatrix has some 10, and this one element has a sum of 10. So these are square matrix, or we need to count them. So this is a hard problem, and we can use the concept of prefix sum. In a 2D matrix we can find the prefix sum, or you can say a matrix sum, which will each element of this sum will hold the sum of the every element from this to the topmost element. For example, if we are at this index, this position at this sum matrix will indicate the sum of these 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, these 3 cross 3 in matrix. So like this matrix, if we are standing at 2, so this will contain all the sum matrix sum of 4 cross 4. If we are standing at this element, then it will be 2 cross 3. So we will be forming this matrix, and how we are going to form that, we will be adding this matrix ij. For example, we are here, we will be adding ij, and then we will be adding this row minus 1, that I minus 1, if it is I minus 1 greater than 0, and then we will also add this j minus 1, the upper area. But we have, while calculating the sum, we have included this submatrix and this submatrix. So these two elements have been, this matrix have been excluded in the result twice, so we will subtract it. That's from here, you can see it will be subtracted from this. So after forming the sum array, some submatrix matrix here, we can simply use our for loops from r1 to r2 and c1 to c2, and whenever the matrix is square, which means r2 minus r1 equals to c2 minus c1, we will taking the test which will be the sum of this matrix. For example, if we are standing at this, how we are going to find the sum of this matrix elements, we will be simply have this sum, the whole matrix sum will be here at some r2 minus r2 c1, and then what we are going to do, we will be subtract this c minus 1, this matrix. So this will be subtracted here, this r2 c minus 1, this whole part, and then we will again subtract this part, this r minus 1 part. I minus 1 c2 will be subtracted from here, and we have subtracted this part twice, so we will be adding this part, r1 minus 1 c1. We will assume that r1 is here, r2 is here, c1 is here, and c2 is here, something like that. So that's all. The upgraded version of this problem is lead code 1074. Guys, if you want me to make this video on this video as well, so please tell in the comments. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.